Artificial intelligence is the leading technology in new product growth and is rapidly becoming a part of our everyday life to improve our devices, businesses, and our lives. But market leaders and entrepreneurs who want to adopt artificial intelligence run into issues with the cost of data transmission, high storage costs, privacy concerns, and the processing power needed to generate the AI output. This impacts their ability to scale and develop new technologies. MicroAI Atom is a self-correcting, semi-supervised learning engine that learns like humans do, by observing behavior to form an understanding of normal activities, then acting or alerting when it detects abnormal patterns in any machine or device. With aggregated data from analog or digital sensors, MicroAI Atom processes real-time data locally on the edge device, reducing costly transmission and storage fees associated with sending raw data out for model training. MicroAI Atom outputs only meaningful data and actionable insights to your preferred analytics system, locally or on the cloud. No need for costly new hardware, because it fits on an MCU. MicroAI Atom can deploy onto existing devices. Embed MicroAI Atom onto a single device, or scaled across an entire asset ecosystem to create a network of intelligence. Maintain a low cost of ownership while building your company's digital transformation journey. Intelligence at the source. MicroAI Atom utilizes a multidimensional behavioral algorithm to produce recursive analysis, training, and processing. This enables a continuous evolution of the AI model that takes place directly on the edge to offer differentiated product solutions. Utilize MicroAI Atom for device management, edge security, performance improvements, and more. Get started developing your own solutions with MicroAI Atom.